loves, welcome to a new video. So in today's video we will be attempting to do a side part with an upper bun, and so without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. So I started off by sectioning the little portion for the side part to make things easier. I don't wanna lie, guys, this was one of the most difficult hairstyles that I've had to do so far, especially with this portion. Like the rest of the steps were so much easy, but like, the parts where I have to do like the side parts, oh my god, like I struggled with that. So this was me just trying to perfect the line by applying gel so that I just have a clear image of what I'm doing. It wasn't really like the most perfect, but I tried, like especially at the back. I was struggling a bit, and this was also me just trying to like see how much hair I will need for the side parts. Next, I tied a little ponytail situation of where I would like to locate my bun, of which was the upper part of my head. I then started sectioning the parts, the first part that I would need, or the first part that I would tie to the ponytail that I made, to kind of make things easy, because I wasn't going to tie my hair all at once. So I decided to section it to make things easier. I decided to pull some hair for edges. Honestly, this was just me trying to trust the process. But honestly, I know nothing about edges. But I was just like, since we are attempting a new thing, trying out new things, then I might as well just see, okay? Honestly, at this point, for someone else, I would really recommend to do the back in sections, because it can be a little bit complicated and have cracks when you apply gel. But for me, like it really wasn't that bad, because my hair was like a bit relaxed, so I did not struggle that much. But like if you have like 4C hair, I would really recommend that you do this part in sections. It was then time to do the side part, of which was the most difficult part. Like, I don't wanna lie, the way I struggled, the time I took, yo guys, if I could show every bit of this video, yeah, I struggled so much. I decided to section this part into two parts, just so I could apply the gel more easier. Honestly, I feel like I should have applied less gel, because the more gel I applied, the hair became so wet, and which like ruined my side parts. You see, at this point, like, I knew it was chai. I knew it was chai. Yo, either way, I struggled here. I struggled so much. I think it took me like over 15 minutes just to get this part. And like, yo, I had to make a plan. I used that black pin, but yeah, it was just to hold the hair together. The hairstyle really didn't come out the way I wanted it to. Like, I was struggling, guys. Okay, like, I was going through it. The way my hair is so long, there was no way that I could have done anything here. Like, there was absolutely no way. I had to pull my hair back, because like, I really wanted like an edge type of situation, but like, I realized that there was no way it was going to happen, so I had to like pull my hair back. Next, it was time to do our bun. I only realized when I was editing the video that I had a piece of hair, the one that I pulled back from the edges. So yeah, I used a small piece of fabric, just a very small one, because I wanted a small bun, and blended with my hair, tied it to my hair actually.